This little number puzzle can help train our children's thinking and observation skills. Quick, like and save this and let our kids practice it. Let's read the question. What is this question asking us? These two numbers add up to 15, these two add up to 19, and so on. These two add up to 20, and these two add up to 18. So, what does this 30 at the bottom represent the sum of? It must be the sum of these three numbers added together. So how do we solve this kind of problem? Many kids try each number one by one, which is time-consuming and laborious. Actually, once you find the breakthrough point in this type of question, it becomes very simple. Where is the breakthrough point? Which numbers is this 30 at the bottom related to? It's this number plus the middle one, plus this one, right? It's related to the three numbers in the middle boxes. So what do these three boxes equal to at the same time? Look, the two above add up to 19, and these two add up to 21. These are also the known conditions and relationships for the three boxes, right? Isn't that right? So let's use these three boxes to find the connections among the known conditions. All right, let's give these three a name first. Let's say this one is A, the number in this box is B, and here we'll call it C. A, B, and C, three numbers. Now look, what is the relationship between the 30 down here and these three? All right, write it down. So shouldn't the sum of these three numbers be 30? So let's write an equation. A plus B plus C equals 30. No problem, right? Now what else do we know? Look up here. 19 is the sum of which two numbers? Isn't it the sum of A and B, right? Now we know that 21 is the sum of B and C. So if I take these two specific values and add them together, exactly which sum does that correspond to? Now, if we take a look at this, 19 is A plus B. And then 21 is B plus C. Let's write it all out clearly. The sum of A and B is exactly equal to 19. And then we add 21, which we know is B plus C. So what is the final result we get? 19 plus 21. What is the total sum of these two numbers combined? Right, 40. Just write it down directly. We've already listed both known conditions here. What connection is there between these two equations? Can you find any parts that are the same or different? A plus B plus C also appears in the second equation, right? Where is it? A plus B plus C, what's the sum of all three? 30, we've already figured that out. So the sum of all three is 30. Now, who's left? Only the middle one, B, is left. Can we solve for B? How do we solve for B? B is just 40 minus 30, right? So what's the answer? Isn't it just 10? So we found B, which means the middle number must be 10. Come on, let's write it down. We've found the breakthrough, so the rest should be easy. What do we do next? Just subtract directly. 21 minus 10, so this one is 11. 18 minus 11, so this one is 7. Continuing with the previous numbers, just subtract 10 again, so here it's 9. 15 minus 9, here it's 6. Done easily. Have you learned it?